Here we have the top and base plate of the 8th Doctor TV movie TARDIS console room playset. We've got LED lights in place. These are LED string lights, and then I used clear UV resin to make the spotlights. And same same string light dyed blue for the central column. We've got the spring function to make the top half of the console go up and down. The bottom half is over here. It hasn't been painted yet because it's about 100 degrees outside and it's a little too hot to work out in the garage, but that should hopefully be done soon. And we should have a finished TARDIS console room playset for you shortly. In the meantime, if you're interested in seeing what I've worked on previously, please visit 3dprintingdoctorwho.com or on Facebook.